guys, Sandy here. Welcome back to another baby video. Today I want to be discussing why I decided to use cloth diapers and not use disposable diapers. So if you're interested in my reasonings of why I chose cloth diapering instead of disposable diapers, then just keep watching. Now you guys, this is probably going to be a really quick video and just really straight to the point. My reasonings pretty much for cloth diapering is money. We got pregnant unexpectedly, and not just saying like, hey, we're broke or anything like that, but I am very frugal and I do not like to spend money on something that I know I'm gonna have to repeatedly use or repeatedly get, and it's going to cost me a lot of money in a month. So that's why, for one, we live in a fifth wheel. Like, I am very frugal. That's just plain and simple. I am a very frugal person and I hate wasting money. And when I found out I was pregnant, I was like, okay, cloth diapering is the way that we're gonna go. I don't care how much of a germaphobe I am. I'm just going to just suck it up and do cloth diapering because I don't want to spend like $150 in a month plus on disposable diapers and throwing them away. That was my first main reason of why I chose to cloth diaper. I know some people are kind of like, ew, it's nasty, blah blah blah. Yeah, I can completely understand. I get you. Like, I 100% get you. But as of right now, we're doing really great with cloth diapering. My son is 3 months and a week old now, and it's been really good. Now, when his poop actually turned into real poop and not like yellow poop, we're gonna still see, but I'm already prepared to deal with the with the real poop and not yellow poop. So we're gonna see how that goes. Doing cloth diapering is a learning curve, and there's like many videos out there kind of breaking down all the specs of cloth diapering, but that is just one main reason why I wanted to cloth diaper, is because of money. The second reason why I decided to cloth diaper is because we are trying to get rid of we are trying to stop using plastic and throwing away so much wasteful things that we could either A, reuse, or B, just not buy it because it's unnecessary, like straws, and to help the landfill and all of that stuff. So with throwing away diapers, you can't recycle them, you can't dispose of them, and like, you can't dispose of a cloth diaper. There's no way to dispose of a cloth diaper except throwing it in the trash, which there are thousands upon thousands of diapers in our landfill, and they can't be disposed properly at all. Like, they're just sitting in the landfill. So I also didn't want to contribute to the landfill being more full with diapers, and it's like, if you can prevent something from happening, why not take that route in preventing more waste going to the landfills, and you can prevent it. So that was the second reason why I decided to cloth diaper. The third reason why I decided to cloth diaper is because I am myself not wanting to wear pads, and I stopped wearing tampons, and that's a whole nother video. But because of the chemicals in the pads, I was already getting away from wearing disposable pads before I found out I was pregnant. And finding out I was pregnant, I was like, oh my gosh, like, there are so many more chemicals in diapers, because you got to think of the absorbents and all of that stuff. Like, they're peeing in this, and it's going to be against their genitals, and it's like, I am not here for my newborn baby to have so many chemicals and just be automatically introduced to chemicals in the world, and you've only been here like not that long. So that was another reason why I decided to cloth diaper, because of the very bad chemicals in the disposable diapers. I am not here to be getting all technical with you. If you want to figure out what chemicals I'm talking about, you can kind of go look at them on Google, or else just look at the back of your diaper box and you can see all the bad chemicals in the disposable, in the disposable diapers. And also just go look at your ingredients on your pad or tampon box. Like, it's crap that we're like shoving up our vaginas or putting against our genitals, and it's just bad chemicals, and I'm just not here for it. So those are really the main reasons why I decided a cloth diaper. But like I said, you know, it's a learning curve to cloth diapering. Am I going to get on here and be like, oh my God, it's so easy? It's not easy because of the learning curve, but if you have patience, not time, if you have patience to learn how to properly use them and doing your research, then cloth diapering is great. If you're the type of person that if something fails and you really don't want to be doing all that research and you really just say you don't have the time, then cloth diapering may not be for you. And also the poop and the pee situation of it all. Like, cloth diapering isn't for everyone, but if you're just really determined, if you want to save money, determined is the key word. If you're determined, you want to save money, you don't want chemicals up against your baby's body, and also it's just all the way better for your baby. It's just all the way better. So that's my reasoning for cloth diapering. I hope this video helps someone if you want to save money. I don't know how much cloth diapering, like how much from YouTube, they say you can save up to $3,000 in when you do cloth diapering. So that's just a number if you use more or less. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that it can fluctuate because, like, yeah, that's the reason why I chose to use cloth diapering, and I hope this video really helped you guys. Leave questions down below and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.